Hello and welcome to AI Basics. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can add in your phone number on Suno AI. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open any type of browser you have on your PC and go to suno.com. After you go to suno.com, you can see this type of profile, but first you must sign into your account. You can sign into your account via Apple, Discord, Facebook, and Google. So you can use any of these, sign into your account, and you will see this interface. Go ahead and click on your profile on the bottom left hand corner of your screen and click on Manage Account. Manage Account is right below this Edit Profile option. So click on Manage Account and you can see the phone number option. Go ahead and click on this box over here which says Add Phone Number. Now you can add your country code, write down your phone number and click Add. So you can see a verification code will be sent to your phone. So enter the 6-digit or 4-digit code which you receive on your phone. After you receive it, just go ahead and type it on the screen from your keyboard. Then you can see it will be verified and you can see your primary phone number has been updated. If you want to add more phone numbers, just go ahead and click on Add Phone Number, enter the area code, write down your phone number, click Send. A verification code will be sent to your phone as an OTP. Go ahead and write down the OTP on your screen, verify your phone number, and there you go. This is how easy it is to change your phone number or add in your phone number on your Suno AI. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.